Okay, in this video, let's see how the data is classified. In the statistics, how the data is classified. So the data is classified under two types based on the type of data and the level of measurement. Let's see the first one. Based on the type of data, the data is classified. Type of data means there are two types. One is categorical data and another one is numerical data. Categorical data is a data that is not in the form of numbers, that cannot be represented in the form of number, and we can't do all the calculation or average sum all this calculation on the categorical data. The example for categorical data is for example the data of country. For example, the country name like India, England, USA, like that. This information is a data, but it's not numerical data. It's a categorical data. Categorical data also be ordinal and the nominal. Ordinal means we can arrange, we can order them on the basis of greater than, lesser than. Nominal data we can't give the rank based on the which is less, which is more. That is about categorical data. The next one is numerical data. Numerical data, vice versa of this. Numerical data is represented in the form of numbers, which can be used to do some calculation, do some addition, subtraction. All this can be possible on numerical data. So the numerical data is again classified into two types. First one is discrete and another one is continuous. So what is this discrete and continuous? The discrete means it's a complete number. The data is in the numerical form and it's a complete. For example, for discrete data is the number of students in a class. So number of students in a class can be 60, 50 or 40, 80, anything. It should be a complete number. It cannot be like 60.5 and 70.5. No, these type of data is called as discrete. It's a complete like 10, 20. It's a complete data. Then continuous data, it can be represented in the like point, like the temperature or the height of student. For the temperature 30.3 celsius or the height 7.5, 6.5 foot, like that. This is called as continuous data. So this is about the on the basis of type of data. Data is classified under categorical data and numerical data. Categorical means we cannot represent it in the form of numbers. In the numerical, we can represent in the form of numbers. In numerical data, there are two types, that is discrete and the continuous. Discrete is complete data like 70, 50, like that. The continuous data is it can represent in the form of fractions. On the other side, the data is classified based on the level of measurement. So on the basis of level of measurement, it can be classified into qualitative data and quantitative data. So by the name it is say the qualitative, it represents the feature of any data. It is not represented in the form of numbers. So there are two types, ordinal and the nominal. I already explained in the categorical data. Same here, the we are classifying based on the level of measurement. So there are two types. First one is ordinal data and the nominal data. Ordinal means we can represent that in the form of order. For example, the data related to the education qualification like undergraduate, graduate, professional, illiterate. So this is qualitative data, but it can be ordered. So it comes under ordinal data. So how we can order that? For example, if we want to rank them, so we can rank graduate, post graduation on the upper side, then graduates, then undergraduates, then illiterate. So this is qualitative data, but it can be ordered. Then next one is in the qualitative data. There are another type, that is nominal data. That data is qualitative, but we can't order them in any criteria. For example, the data related to the type or the color of a car, red, green, blue, black, that is qualitative, but we can't be ordered. We can't say the red is greater than the black is greater than the white. No. So that type of data is called as nominal data. On the other side, qualitative data. So what is it qualitative quantitative data? Quantitative data is represented in the form of number. It's a numerical data. So the numerical data again classified into two types, that is intervals and the ratio. The intervals means it have the intervals like 0 to 5 and 5 to 10, like that. That represent the range of data. in the form of range, that is interval. The ratio is represent the ratio, the percentage or the ratio of the data, 2 is to 1 or 50% like that. So this is how the data is classified. So just for summing up, data is classified under two head: on the basis of type of data, on the basis of level of measurement. On the basis of type of data, that there are categorical data and numerical data. In categorical data, discrete data and continuous data. On the basis of level of measurement, there are two types: qualitative and the quantitative. Qualitative data again classified ordinal and the nominal. Ordinal means we can categorize. Nominal we can't categorize. Next one is qualitative. There are two types: intervals and the ratio.